Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can catch new emojis in your iPhone, maybe your iPad. So how you can get that? Simply just go to settings of your iPhone and to have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. Just tap on a general and just scroll down and just find a VPN and device management. Just tap on that, and here you just disconnect VPN from here. After that, simply just go back again back and simply just go to get general section and you have to make sure that you just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So make sure that you update the latest version. So many users face the issue that they cannot get the new emojis because they cannot update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So they don't get that. Simply just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, simply just go back and just scroll down in the general section and also find a keyboard. Just find a keyboard and just tap on that and just again tap on keyboards, and here you just have it, just remove the emoji section, just slide that and just delete it, and again go to the edit section and just again just go to the add new keyboard, just tap on that, and here you just have it, search emoji and just again it and just add that emoji. After this you just go back and just simply just go to yes chats of your settings, messages, anything. Just go that and just get the new emojis in that section. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.